Hi friends, this is Mona Lisa from Karigori Hat, and in this video episode I am going to show you some very beautiful, pure and authentic matka sarees. These are all hand woven. The sarees are hand woven. The work that you will see on the sarees, they are also hand woven. So these are all pure handloom sarees and are of excellent quality. Okay, so let me start with saree number 1 today. Here is saree number 1. This is the pallu portion of the saree. As you can see, that beautiful work, hand work is done on the pallu portion. A close-up will give you a better idea. This is how the beautiful jamdani work is done on the pallu of the saree. And you can see that red borders are there on either side of the saree. And all these beautiful flowers on the body which you see, they are also handwork. Okay, these jamdani work that you see on the body are completely handwork. And I will give you a close-up of the texture of the saree. This is the texture of the saree. It's very soft, very comfortable. You can wear it and carry it throughout the day without any discomfort. Okay, this is the pallu which I have already showed you. Now I am going to give you a drape look of the saree. That is averagely how it would look when you are going to drape it. As it is not possible to drape each and every saree and show you, so I am just going to give you a casual look which will help you understand how the fall of the saree is and how the pleats would be and how it would look when you are going to drape it. Here I am arranging the pleats. So just roughly I will give you the idea. So here you can see how beautiful the fall of the saree is. This is authentic matka and this is how the saree is going to look when you will drape it. Pure matka saree, there is no mix, no synthetic material mix, no other material mix. This is pure matka which is very soft, very comfortable and very lightweight. There is no stiffness in the saree which you can see from the fall of the saree. Here I have made the pleats to help you understand the fall of the saree, and you can understand that there is no stiffness. Okay, from the video itself you can understand that there is no stiffness. The material is extremely soft. And these beautiful flowers which you see here, they are all over the body. You will see these flowers all over the body of the saree. Okay, now I will move on to the blouse piece of the saree. The body color of the saree is midnight blue and you have beautiful red borders on both sides of the saree like I have already showed you. This is the blouse piece. The color tone is a bit different than the body. This has some violet mixed with blue. Okay, so it will give a bit of a contrast along with the saree. So here you will be able to understand the color difference. Okay, this is the color of the saree and this is the blouse piece. Okay, a very beautiful piece, pure matka saree with beautiful hand jamdani work done on it. Now we will move on to our saree number 2. This is a very unique color, as you can see. Material is again pure matka, very soft, very comfortable, no stiffness. A very unique color. I'll just give you a close-up of the color. This is in a shade of brown. Okay, shade of brown, and borders on either side is in orange. Okay, once again, beautiful pallu, as you can see. Beautiful, beautiful pallu. This is the work on the pallu. Once again, I'm giving you a close-up because the work is really beautiful. You need to see it in a close-up view, how it looks. This is completely hand done. Completely hand done. No machine work is involved in this. This is the lovely pallu which you can see here. And there is Jamdani work all over the body. These kind of flowers which you have seen in the previous sari also. It will be there all over the body of the sari. Okay. Now once again, in this also I am going to show you a draped look. This is a very unique color which I am showing you right now. The color is very unique, very smart. And you can even wear it for your office parties and all, because this color is something which will look very elegant for corporate functions as well. This is a very smart color, and the border is also not loud, as you can see. The border, although is in a contrast color with the body, yet this is very subtle. Okay, it's not loud. All the colors that I will show you, the colors are beautiful, but none of these saris have a loud color, so they will all make a very elegant drape. They will all make a very elegant drape. Okay, so here I am done with the pleats, and this is how the pleats would look. These beautiful hand woven Jamdani flowers all over the body is giving the sari a really elegant and classy look. There is no boredom as the sari is not plain. A beautiful pallu and beautiful floral Jamdani work all over the body of the sari. So this is how the draped look of the sari would be. It's really looking very elegant, and all these saris have a blouse piece. Now I'm going to show you the blouse piece of this sari. This is the blouse piece of this sari. Again, it is attached with the sari. From here the blouse piece starts. It is a bit of a different brown than the body color. This is also brown, but a bit of a different brown than the body color. Okay, so you can always use a contrast blouse, or even you can do with you can make a blouse out of this blouse piece as well. Both will look very good. You can even use something in contrast. Moving on to our sari number 3. Okay, and one more thing which I want to show you, which is also there in the previous saris as well, is this beautiful tassel. This beautiful tassel at the end of the pallu. This looks really lovely when you drape it. Okay, this is there in the previous saris as well, in all the saris that I'm going to show you in this episode. So I might have forgotten to show you in the previous saris. So here I'm showing you this beautiful tassel. Okay. Now this is a lovely green color. Once again, a very smart color. All the colors that I'm showing you, like I told you, none of these colors are loud, yet these are very gorgeous colors. You can wear it to office parties also, and you can wear it to your family functions as well. This is the pallu portion of the sari. Once again, beautiful Jamdani work. Beautiful Jamdani work. As you can see, the pallu has a different tone. Okay, the body is this green and the pallu is this green. Okay, 1 or 2 shades lighter than the body. The green is 1 or 2 shades lighter than the body. This is the beautiful pallu. Lovely, lovely pallu, as you can see. And this is the body. Very lightweight. These saris are very lightweight, very comfortable, perfect for Indian weather. If you have a function in summer when it is very hot, even then you can wear this sari throughout the day without any discomfort. Okay, you can take my words. And one more thing, all these sarees, these are pure matka sarees, and they all come with silk mark. All these sarees come with authentic silk mark. So you can understand that there is no mixed quality in these sarees. These are pure matka silk sarees. Now take a look at the pleats portion, which will help you understand the drape look of the saree. This Jamdani work, like I told you, is all over the saree. The Jamdani work is all over the saree. So when you are doing the pleats, these beautiful flowers are coming on your pleats as well as on the yoke portion, because this beautiful work is only on the lower portion of the pallu, and the beautiful flowers, they are all over the body. Just take a look at the fall. So graceful. The sarees are very graceful. The width is also quite good enough for women with for taller women to wear them. Okay, I'm not so tall, but see, you can understand that I can hold this over here. Okay, then the pleats are touching the floor, so you can understand that the width is enough for taller women. So very graceful look, very beautiful and very smart, very elegant green color saree. This is how the draped look would be. Okay, the flowers all over, and this is the blouse piece of the saree. Again, a bit different tone of green than the body. We are using this color in the blouse piece to give a bit of a contrast to the body color of the saree. We have not made it running. We have not made it in running color. This is the body color. We have not made it in a running color. As you can see, there is a difference in color. So the blouse piece is purposefully done in a different tone to give a contrast to the look of the saree. And like I told you, the flowers are, these flowers are there all over the body. For all the sarees, these beautiful floral jamdanis are there all over the body. The next piece, once again a very beautiful shade of yellow. This is not sunny yellow, but somewhat of mustard yellow. Somewhat of a mustard yellow shade. The borders are in orange. The colors are bright. All the colors that have been used in the sarees are bright, but they are not loud. That is the speciality of handloom sarees. Okay, here I am showing you the pallu of the saree. This is how the pallu of the saree goes, just like all the previous ones which I have showed you. Once again, very beautiful work, very beautiful pallu. This is complete hand work. This Jamdani work is completely hand done. This is the beautiful, beautiful pallu. Once again, the tassels are also there. For all the sarees, the lovely tassels are there at the end of the pallu. Here I am showing you the pallu portion. After the pallu, I will show you a basic draped look like I have been showing you for all the previous sarees. This will help you understand how it will look when you are going to wear it. Of course, when you drape it properly with a proper blouse, it is going to look much, much more beautiful than the way I am showing you. But just because it is not possible for me to do that, so I am showing you a basic look to help you understand the fall of the saree. Number one, if you see the pleats, you will be able to understand the fall of the saree. Even by the movement of the sarees, you will be able to make out that the saris are really of very soft quality. These are very soft quality, pure and authentic matka saris, okay? There is no mix and you are getting authentic silk mark for these saris, okay? Here you go with the pleats, and this is how the draped look of the sari would be. Take a look at the pleats. See how beautiful it looks. This is also a very different color with mustard and red, not red exactly, sort of maroon, okay, checks. Lovely checks, okay, and beautiful border. Lovely jamdani flowers you can see here. These flowers will be there all over the body of the sari. So take a look at the pleats portion. You can see the beautiful jamdani flowers in the pleats also. This is the draped look of the sari. So you can finish it with a beautiful blouse, designer blouse. There is of course a blouse piece given along with these saris, but you can try a contrast different designer blouse as well. So this is how the draped look will be. Just take a look at the fall. It's so lightweight, so flowy material. Very soft, very comfortable. And let me show you the blouse piece. Okay, this has got a different color, entirely different color blouse piece than the body. So you can contrast this sari using this blouse piece, okay? You can just make a blouse out of this blouse piece. It will be a very beautiful contrast to the sari. Now moving on to our final one. The final sari of this episode, in lovely black and white checks. In lovely black and white checks. The checks are in black and white with a beautiful red border, okay? Here you see once again the jamdani flowers are on the yoke portion as well as on the entire body portion. Now take a look at the pallu. Once again, very beautiful, colorful, yet very elegant. Very elegant. Very elegant pallu. Just take a look at the work and just check out the flow of the sari. This is how the flow of the sari is. It's very flowy material, okay? Very soft, very comfortable. Beautiful pallu you have seen. Similarly like the previous saris, the jamdani flowers will be there all over the body of the sari. Now I am showing you the draped look. I am arranging the pleats so that you can understand how the sari is going to look when you drape it. This is a very beautiful sari because black and white checks are widely preferred. A lot of my customers love this particular black and white checks because I have already sold a lot of silks, katans and all in this kind of checks, and they have been the hot cake. This black and white checks, they have been the hot cake in any category that I have brought so far, and I'm sure that all of you would love to have this in matka as well, because matka, as we all know, is a very, very lovely material which you can wear to the parties, to your office functions, anywhere, just about anywhere you can use these saris. As they are very lightweight and comfortable, you can just keep them on without having to worry. So this is the draped look of the sari. Even beginners who are just have started wearing saris, for them also this material is very friendly because it won't feel heavy. You will not feel like you have draped something which you would like to remove just now itself, you know, because first timers, we know that, who wear saris, they all love to wear something lightweight and which would be very comfortable. In fact, we all love to wear such saris. So matka is one such fabric. This is the draped look. Matka is one such fabric which you can just keep on and on and on, and it will not cause any kind of displeasure to you. This is the floral weaves which you will find all over the sari. Now I will move on to the blouse piece of the sari. The blouse piece is in black and grey checks. Okay, the sari was in black and white checks. The blouse piece is in black and grey checks. Very smart. Just you can contrast the sari along with this blouse. You can use this blouse piece to make a blouse and just contrast it with your sari and just accessorize it properly, and it is going to give you a very smart look. So the matka saris that I have showed you in today's episode, the price I will mention. All the saris are priced at 5750. Each of these saris are priced at 5750. 5750 rupees is the price of each of these saris. Okay, and this is pure matka. You are going to get authentic silk mark along with these saris, and shipping charges will be extra to whichever location you want it to be delivered, whether it is within Kolkata, outside West Bengal. We even ship to international locations, but the shipping charges has to be borne by the customer. That will be additional to the price of the sari. You can just WhatsApp me at 9123775200 or 9830371861. Any of these numbers you can WhatsApp me or call me, and you can place your order. Please do take a screenshot of the sari which you want to place order for and send it to me via WhatsApp to any of these two numbers. Thank you friends for watching. Please do share this video with your friends on your Facebook feed or on your Insta feed. Please do share and please do let others know about the beautiful saris that Karigori Haat has in store. Thank you friends so much for watching. Lots of love to you all. Bye-bye.